How to fix iOS update not showing up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS update not showing up. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is to check if our device is compatible to the new iOS update. So to do that, let's just head on and open up our Safari right here, or any browser you have, and let's go to this site right here. So if you don't know how to do or how to go on this site, let's just search for iOS 16 supported devices if you are trying to download or update to iOS 16. And let's just click on the first search that popped up here on the Apple site. Scroll all the way down to the list and check if our device is included in being compatible with iOS 16. So just read all through the list, and if you see your device, you can head on to the next step if you still don't see the iOS update showing up. So the next step that we're going to do is to check if we are using a beta version. So let's just go to settings right here. Let's go to general and let's scroll down, and once you see the profile option right below VPN right here, should show profile. If you have installed any, you can just click on that and remove the beta version of an iOS update. And after removing it, you can just restart your phone by clicking on the power button and volume down buttons. So just power it off and turn on your phone again. So if that still does not work, we can check our Wi-Fi connection if it is stable. So if it is not stable to you, you can just go to general right here. Just click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset right here. And you can just click on reset network settings to clear the network settings that are in your phone and hopefully fix your unstable Wi-Fi. So the last thing that you can do then is to restart your phone if the iOS update is still not showing up. So you can just press the power button and volume down or volume up button again and just power it off and turn on your phone once again. So also the iOS update might not still be available in your country. You can also search that up. So that is how you can basically fix iOS update not showing up. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.